Hey, good evening. I hope everyone has enjoyed their Monday. So I was able to record myself actually assembling the bookshelf this week. And I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of the process. I don't have the whole process recorded, but this is just kind of me putting some of the pieces together and drilling some holes for some dowels and just doing some of the glue ups. So I ended up milling some of this cherry, and I just absolutely love how it was lighter on one side, and I figured it would look beautiful on the outside of the bookshelf. This jig makes things so much easier with assembling this. This past week was also Motorcycle Week, and they have a huge rally in Laconia, New Hampshire, and I figured I would share my motorcycle with you and how I put my sissy bar on my bike. The Harley-Davidson parts are not very easy components to work with, where the screw heads are all different, but I think Harley-Davidson does that on purpose. But I did get the sissy bar on, and I'm just waiting for a few more parts. I'm waiting for a luggage rack and also a passenger seat to come in. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful evening, and stay tuned for my next video. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Take care.